and I'm so excited to show you how to make a salami flour. You'll want the larger slices of salami that are also cut thinly for charcuterie boards. You'll need about 9 slices to make a small flour, and then you can go up to several slices to make a larger flour. I'm using a shot glass. You could use a wine glass or any sort of deeper bowl where you can overlap the salami around it. So start by adding each slice of salami one at a time. You don't want to cover the bottom of the glass, so make sure you can always see the bottom of the glass. And you'll just overlap them, each one for a layer. So I've got 3, and now you're going to add your next layer. You're going to go 1, and when you overlap the second layer, you want it to go over the portion where the layer below it meets each other. So there's 2 layers. Again, I can still see the bottom of the glass. And we'll do 1 more layer for a total of 9 slices of salami. And 3. So there are your layers. I'm going to, and that's all there is to that. So you've got it there. I'm going to invert it onto the board and just leave it like that until I am ready to take off the glass and serve the board. We're going to take the glass off of our salami rose, fluff it just a little bit,